Hey friends, welcome back to your girl Brittany, and welcome to episode two of the Hidden Gems series. So if you haven't checked out the first video, make sure you do that. I'll have it linked for you. Now this is just bringing some of my older tutorials back to light, something that was older or some people have missed, because I do have a lot of tutorials on my playlist. And for my new subscribers, you having the ability to see like, oh my gosh, I didn't know that. Oh, let me go find that. And then I do have people who ask, who do save tutorials, and then they'll make it, and then people are like, I can't find that tutorial. Where is it? You know what I mean? And so, because I have like about 100 tutorials so far, trust me, it's gonna grow. It's gonna grow, girl. And so people can't really find the video and everything like that. So this is just bringing light into some of those things, some of those older ones. I'm not going to really redo any of the newer ones. And things I'm trying to just give out some inspiration so you can utilize these in your Halloween crafting. So this next project, I did use again the Fright Night collection by Photo Play. This was done by Tracy Smith, and I cannot wait for you guys to see this one, so stay tuned. All right, so this one is the mini roll-up box. So this box was originally inspired by Sam Calcutt, who is Mixed Up Crafts, one of my favorite crafters to watch. She does amazing cards. She does amazing gift bags and boxes. Like, she is just, I love her. And I will have her channel linked for you down below too. She is just, and plus she has a British accent, and I mean, you can usually win me over with that. And so I made, hers was a lot bigger. I made a smaller version of it, and I believe if I'm not mistaken, I think Wandy had said, like, can you do a smaller version of it? I was like, girl, I got you. My girl Wanda at Wandy Sweets. I was like, I got you. So this is that. Again, I'll have this tutorial linked for you down below. And here's my little Halloween version of it. So just like in the original one that I made the sides shakers, and I did that one again, or I did that again with this. And this shaker mix is, I am not well prepared. Where's my, so this shaker mix, I used the Buttons Galore sequins, and I used their new sprinklets called Haunted. And so that is the only things that I have in here, even though like I have a lot of sequins and stuff, you know, big shout out to them, my peoples. And so again, this is using Fright Night from Photo Play. I just had like this really pretty black glitter ghost that sticker, and then I added Happy Haunting. I added a couple bats on the side here, and then I had like a little web die cut, and it was really pretty. I mean, spiders aren't pretty, but these are. And then like some little candy corn candy pieces, added blue on top. So this one's a really subtle decorating, merely because when you open it up, you kind of want it to lay flat. But the great thing about the roll-up box is that you can open it before you even have to unroll it. Now, I personally made a boo-boo, and I was making sure that all of my stuff opened on one side. I messed up, and this one accidentally. So we have one that's opening on this side, which is not what it was supposed to do, because by, you know, silly me, I'm not paying attention. But all the other ones, let me get them open here. All the other ones open up from this side, and just like so. So you can open them up without having to unroll them, or you can unroll it and then go ahead and open them up. I would keep the decorating limited, because you do want it to roll up nice and flat without there being any weird gaps in there. And so the size of these are 2 inches by 4 inches. So you can get some good goodies in here, especially candies. I think this is really great for candies. I did a ribbon closure. I'm pretty sure that's what I did in the video, but you can add like a bag topper so you don't have to worry about going through all the ribbon and everything. And then you just open it up, and then they unroll out. So very simple, a cute way to use, utilize it for Halloween, decorating it up to your likeness. Again, when I originally did this tutorial, it was for Hump Day Handmade. That was in 2019. Man, we gotta do that again. I loved that. I absolutely did. And so I originally did that for a Hump Day Handmade. So yeah, about 4 years ago we did that. And you know, some things get forgotten, some things people haven't seen yet. So again, I wanted to bring out these tutorials so you guys can remember, like, oh my gosh, I remember that, or oh, that would be perfect for what I got going on right now, you know, that kind of thing. So that is the whole point of the series. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, or enjoyed this project. Again, the tutorial will be listed down below and on the video for you. Make sure you check it out. Don't forget to tag me if you do end up making it. I would love to see what you guys come up with it and your inspiration of it as well. And remember, like, these things, just so I'm doing it for Halloween at this moment in time, doesn't mean you can't utilize it for Christmas or anything like that. So so thanks so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to your girl, and I'll check you out in the next video. Bye.